So in this video, we are going to discuss about a problem on ideal transformer. So they are asking you to find the source current I1 and output voltage V0 and the complex power, that is S, for this circuit. Okay. So what are they given? They have given N1 and N2 value is equal to N1 value is 1 and N2 value is 2. Okay. So using a mesh analysis, I can find the equation, right? So for this loop, I can write 120 is equal to 4 into I1 minus 6j into I1, right? 4 into I1 minus 6j into I1 plus V1. Okay. So this is your first equation for the first mesh loop. For the second mesh loop, I can write V2 is equal to V0. Okay. Or I can write it as V2 is equal to 20 of I2. That is equal to V0. Okay. That is equal to V2. So this is your second equation. Okay. So we know that for the ideal transformer, V2 by V1 is equal to N2 by N1. Okay. So here what is N2? N2 is 2 and N1 is 1. So I can write V2 is equal to 2 into V1. Okay. So you substitute this third equation in the first equation. Okay. So this is nothing but I1 by I2, right? This is nothing but I1 by I2. So you substitute this third equation in the first equation. So now you will get 120 is equal to 4 minus 6j I1 plus 0.5 V2. So if you see this diagram, since both the dot are in both the dot are same. Okay. So V1 and V2 V2 by V1 is equal to N2 by N1. So if it is in opposite direction, suppose the dot is here and for secondary, if the dot is here means V2 by V1 is equal to minus N2 by N1. Okay. So suppose here you can see the current I1 is entering this dot and I2 is leaving this dot. So therefore I can write V2 by V1 is equal to I1 by I2. Okay. I1 by I2 is equal to N2 by N1. So if both the current are entering or both the current are leaving means it becomes minus N2 by N1. So here the current first for the primary, I1 is entering this dot and I2 is leaving this dot for the second. So therefore you have to write it. Suppose if the question is like this, okay. Okay. The question is like this. We have to write the current here is this one is leaving, I1 is leaving, here also I2 is leaving. So therefore you have to write uh, V1 I1 current is equal I1 by I2 is equal to -2. Okay, and you can see the dot. So the both the dots are um, in opposite direction. Therefore, you have to write this one as minus side. Okay. Okay. Based on the dot, you have to write this one as -2 here. So therefore, I can write this one as the question is like this. Okay. So now I'm going to substitute what is this one? This is nothing but 4 minus 6j of -2 into I2 minus 0.5. V2 is 28. Okay. So this is equal to 60 4 minus 68 minus I2 minus 0.5 into 10 I2. Okay, dividing the whole term by 2. Okay, that is equal to minus 4 I2 plus 6j I2 minus by 2 5 I2. Okay. So this is nothing but minus 9 I2 plus 6j I2 60. Yeah. So what is my I2 now? I2 is equal to 60 divided by minus 9 plus 60. So if you solve, you will get minus 5.545 degree 33.69. So here we know that V2 is equal to 20 of I2. So V2 is nothing but V0. So if I multiply 20 with this value, I will get 110 of 213.69. Okay. So next we want to find the complex power. Complex power supplied. Okay. So that is at the source they are asking. Okay. So we have to consider my source current and I1. Okay. So that is nothing but 120. And what is the value of I1? I1 is nothing but I1 is equal to minus 2 of I2, right? So I2 value we know that. So this value is 11.09, 33.69 degree. So you substitute here. So since it is a complex value, you have to take 11.09 minus 33.69. So if I multiply these two values, I will get 133.0.8, and this is minus 33 minus 33.69 degree in terms of volt ampere. Okay, so this same problem I can do it in a different way. So this is another method. Okay, so for that one, I'm going to take this diagram. So I'm going to do it differently. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, so here I have only a resistor. So this resistor, if it comes at the so this is 20, right? So you have to write 20 divided by n square. So here n value is nothing but 2. Okay. So for this one, I can find the value of so what is this value? This is nothing but 5, right? So for this one, I can write Zn is equal to, what is the value? 4 plus 5 minus 6j. So this is nothing but 9 minus 6j. So once if I find the value of Zn and if I have a voltage, I can find the value of I1. I1 is equal to 120 divided by 9 minus 6j. So this value is nothing but 11.09 of 33.69. So from the diagram, I know that I2 is equal to minus I1 divided by 2, right? So what is I2? I2 is equal to minus 5.545 33.69. So what is V0? V0 is equal to 20 I2. We know it from the equation. So from this, if we multiply, you will get minus 0.9 213.69. Okay, this is your pointage. So yes, you know that this is always similar, right? So this is equal to 130.8 minus 33.69. So if you see what is V0, V0 is equal to 20. 20 if I multiply, I will get 110.9 of 33.69. Okay. So if I want to bring this, if I bring this minus inside, I have to add 180 degree with this one. So if I add 180 degree, I will get 110.9 of 213.69. Okay. So this is another way to do this problem.